Hey YouTube, this is Justin, aka Demonic Sweaters, and what you were just hearing there was a beat that I call the Castle Beat. And the reason why I call it the Castle Beat is because of a song that I made in 2016 called Castle. I play that beat in the song. Now, this beat, it's more of like a feel because the beat actually, it has a basic structure, but then there's a lot of room for improvisation within this beat, which makes it pretty cool in my opinion. The basic feel of it can be thought of in basically two halves. You have the first half and the second half. So first half would be, and then the second half would be something like that. So if I slow those way down, it's going to sound like this. Now, that is one part of this beat, or one type of this beat that I do within the song. Other times I'll do, rather than have the open hi-hat on the end, I'll do another pop, pop, so right, left, and then it goes back. Well, the beginning of the beat is actually kick, left, right. So it's kick, left, right, kick, right, snare. So kick, left, right, snare in the beginning of the beat. So then right again, and then a double ghost note on the snare drum. And that's where you go into the triplets on the hi-hat. So it's an open hi-hat at the end there, or right left. So other times I'll do an open hi-hat on that last snare hit. So to give you an example of that. Now, this beat, like I said, it just kind of changes a lot. And the idea behind this beat, and a lot of the beats that I do, is I like to create a beat where the things I'm doing on the hi-hat can easily be translated over to the toms or the snare or, you know, any other drum to give you more options. And what's really cool too is on that last, say if you're doing the variation with the right left at the end of the beat before starting over at the one, you can also turn those into double stroke rolls. So something like this. It's hard to play slow, but let me just speed it up a little bit. So if we were to take all of these beats and put them together and speed the whole thing up, it's going to sound something like this. Now, another thing that you'll notice is sometimes on my kick drum, I'm pretty loose where I'll insert some hits here and there, and other times, not. But this is like one of these things where, like, when you're playing the drums, you don't want to like have everything completely set in stone and written down perfectly the same every single time. Well, some drummers do, but to me that's kind of boring. And I like to have, a little bit of room for improvisation or feel, within the beat. Not totally, but just a little bit. Like a lot of times I like to have fills in certain spots and things like that. But it's nice to have a little bit of flexibility just so playing the drums is still really fun. So in that song, it's essentially the same beat throughout the entire song. It's just in the chorus, you know, I switch over to doing a little fill on the toms, which is essentially part of the beat, and the way it goes is like this. So there I'm doing like a double on the bass drum between the right, left. So, all right, guys, that's all for this lesson today, and thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the lesson, let me know. If you have any questions, feel free to post them down below. And you can check out the link down below as well if you are interested in taking lessons over Skype. I do offer that, and it's a pretty good deal, and you can go to my website with that link and see my calendar and what dates I have available and all of that. And if you're in the Staten Island or Brooklyn areas, I also teach around here in person. So anyway, thanks for watching, and hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you real soon.